Welcome to Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, your premier destination for top-notch dumpster rental services in Bel Air, Maryland. At Trash Panda, we transcend the ordinary, offering a symphony of solutions for your waste management needs. Our dumpsters, akin to guardian pandas of cleanliness, stand ready to cradle and haul away the burdens of debris, making your space a sanctuary of order. When life's messes pile up, let Trash Panda Dumpsters orchestrate the cleanup with finesse. Our dumpster Rental Bel Air Maryland Maestros team is just a phone call away at 443-960-2108. We've crafted a seamless experience, ensuring that your dumpster needs are met and exceeded. You can navigate our virtual realm at www.trashpandadumpster.com to find a treasure trove of information about our services and the diverse range of dumpsters at your disposal. At Trash Panda Dumpsters, we are committed to transforming your waste worries into whispers of the past. Our dumpster rental services are not just a transaction but a testament to our dedication to cleanliness, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Every dumpster is a promise kept, and every cleanup is a symphony of success. Join the Trash Panda revolution and witness the metamorphosis of mundane waste management into an art form.